A very warm greeting. In today's times, most of us have heard about the term energetic cord cutting. Simply put, cord cutting is a spiritual or a psychic healing process that energetically severs the negative aspect of attachment between you and another person, a place, an object, or a limiting belief you carry. So let's take an example of relationship with people as our theme for why cord cutting sometimes becomes important. When people are in any kind of a relationship, they start bonding to each other through energetic cords. These cords can be either positive, loving, and elevating in nature for both concerned, or they can have a negative, draining impact. To an extent, where post breakup or moving away of a person from our life, we still end up feeling drained, unhappy, or angry. And as a result, we end up carrying that negative pattern into our future relationships. Cord cutting is a method that clears the shadow of past relationship or the toxicity present in an ongoing relation. This means that the rage, helplessness, and inadequacy experienced in a particular relationship can be eliminated, which thereby brings much happiness in other relationships as well. Contrary to popular belief, cord cutting certainly does not mean that you lose contact with the person or that it weakens the positive connection in any way. Cord cutting will never mean the person disappears from your life unless you make conscious efforts and take measures to break the contact. If anything, that pure, positive connection is improved because it is no longer overshadowed by negative energies. So, let me highlight few of the many strong benefits of cord cutting. Cord cutting can be done to shed the excess baggage we carry on our shoulders unknowingly. The discord between parent-child, life partners, past relationships, ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend, friends, siblings, with the boss, with your subordinate, colleagues, classmates, with the teacher or with the student, or any other relationships can be mended by this method. It is very therapeutic as it heals you tremendously. It helps you release a lot of pent-up negative emotions that you have been suppressing and carrying around consciously or unconsciously. Sometimes it also releases emotions which have been accumulating over the years. Cord cutting helps in fears, limiting beliefs, and blocks created by past breakups. It clears blocks in relationship issues, especially in your love life. When single people go through many relationship issues in the past, they form unconscious blocks and fears about life partners in their life, and they start acting out of these fears from the past. This tends to ruin any good future relationship they can potentially form. It helps you also identify hidden motivations in relationships, both within yourself as well as in others. Cord cutting gives you the breathing space you need You are no longer on autopilot in your behavior, nor is it compulsive. You will find that you can now change your behavior easily. I hope this simplified talk on cord cutting has helped clear many myths surrounding it. My upcoming meditation would be on cord cutting with the negative aspect of people to help us enjoy much fulfilling relationships with self and others. Peace and light.